Learning English as a second language, a quick guide. Learning English can be exciting and rewarding. Here's a simple approach to studying English in a holistic way. 1. Set goals and make a routine. Decide why you're learning, work, travel, etc. Practice daily. Spend time on vocabulary, reading, writing, listening, and speaking. 2. Practice listening and speaking. Watch shows, listen to podcasts, or follow YouTube channels in English. Speak with native speakers using language exchange apps or practice with friends. 3. Build vocabulary and grammar. Use apps like Quizlet or flashcards for new words. Focus on one grammar rule at a time and practice in context. 4. Read and write. Start with simple books or articles you enjoy. Keep a journal or write short messages in English. 5. Immerse yourself. Change your phone settings to English and label items at home. Think in English during everyday tasks. Final tip: be consistent, stay patient, and enjoy the process.